I'm really excited to be part of this project because we have interesting stories to tell, but sometimes you don't really get the platform to express yourself. So I wanted to get to do this to be able to break down those barriers and get other people to see us for who we are. I was inspired by my aunt because you didn't see a lot of female solicitors. She could go to the court, speak to the judge, and as a young child, it means a lot. We found out that justice was very expensive in Nigeria. For you to get the evidence, it had to cost you. My family, we were able to afford, but other families that couldn't afford, their case just be lost. In Scotland, I had to go back to uni to retrain as a lawyer. To get into the legal profession here, you need to get the traineeships. There is discrepancy in being candidates and legal profession. Very few Black law students get their traineeship within the first 1 year or so. For me, it's just getting that traineeship, then showing that I can deliver. The BAME community make up to like 4 or 5% of the Scottish population. So when you go to court, you don't see any Black judge, or you see few at the employment tribunals. But then when you go to the prisons, you see the Blacks are more there. So what's happening? I've been living here for more than 12 years, 12, 13. I've been told sometimes, go back to your country. I'm like, Edinburgh is home. So which country do you mean? I've seen my children being discriminated in schools. I know that children can be cruel, don't get me wrong, and not that my children are saints, but when they say those unprintable words or call them those names, it hurts, it's very painful. And if I walk up to the school teacher, what are you gonna do about it? And sometimes they'll give me this lame explanation. We've asked the children to be kind to them. How can you ask them to be kind? That means you are affirming that my own children are inferior. They agreed that maybe there should be a program where I can come in and share stories where we are different, what makes us special. We normally use it for a titled woman, a chief. They get to wear these on special occasions, so it is like their cap of authority. I work for FJSS Group as a legal services manager, trying to bring information to the BAME community. In 5 years' time, I would like to be a partner in a law firm.
I believe in having an inclusive environment where everyone thrives. And law for me is being the voice of the voiceless.